I participated in the 2021 contest.
The 2020 contest.
2019.
The 2019.
2019.
Back in 2015.
Almost 10 years now.
Happy 10th anniversary of What's So Cool About Manufacturing.
What's So Cool About Manufacturing really allowed me to indulge in the wondrous world of videography with my peers.
And it really taught me about how to use the camera.
Developing my skills as a filmer and editor alongside my friends.
I would say my favorite part of this contest was traveling to a local manufacturing plant
and see just firsthand how their products are really made.
And meeting the incredible teams of people that contribute to the process.
Seeing everyone's videos come together to make one whole presentation.
It was my first experience out, I guess, in the real world with all the different machines and stuff that were at the facility that I was at.
This contest changed our lives by making us aware of how plastic is made and the career path it would take for us to enter a field like this.
It gave me a better outlook on the job opportunities available to people my age.
As you can see, I'm involved in electrical construction at Bethlehem Area Vocational Technical School.
Then it made me unlock a deeper sense of understanding as to how the things that I use every day are actually made.
Anyone considering doing this should definitely do it. It's a lot of fun.
This project set me on track to pursue a career in graphic design and marketing. I love telling the stories of brands and sharing what makes them unique.
It really sparked my interest in being in the position that I'm in now.
Happy 10th anniversary, everyone.
Congrats and happy 10th anniversary.
Happy 10-year anniversary, What's So Cool About Manufacturing.
Again, congratulations.